Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Now, I've got a brand new bonus going live on the 16th of January for an amazing product called Virtual Commissions. Now, Virtual Commissions is a little bit different to what I normally promote. Normally I'll promote software, apps, things like that. This is training. Now, I don't normally promote training offers unless the people behind it are getting their users results. And also that I know the people behind it. Now, two guys behind this I've known for many years, Chris Munch, Neil Napier. Now, Chris hasn't launched on JVZoo for many years, so when I heard he was launching with Neil and bringing out this training, I had to look because I knew it was going to be good. Now, the training is amazing, it really is. The great thing about this is they're getting their users results. So a lot of people making $700, $2,000 by using this system, and the training, I think if you put the time into it, this will be a game changer for 2025. And the great thing about it, the training is $37. So normally, the things that Chris puts out are normally thousands of dollars to get into. This is $37, so it's well worth locking this in for $37. Now, on this video, I'm going to tell you about my bonus. I'm going to tell you about the competition, and I'm going to tell you about my giveaways, and also I'm going to tell you about the pre-launch webinar. Now first, the competition. Now the competition starts today. It closes on the 16th of January. On the 16th of January, I will pick the winner. The winner will receive a copy of my front-end bonus. I've got no bundle bonuses or anything like that. I'll show you my bonuses in a moment. My bonus and a copy of Virtual Commissions as well. So all you need to do is go here, join the competition. It'll take you across to YouTube. Comment on the video on YouTube. Like and share the video and subscribe to the channel if you would. If you're watching this from YouTube, all you need to do is comment on the video, like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you would. Then you're in with a chance of winning this amazing prize. Okay? Now, as I said, my bonus is for the front end only. So what I want to do with this bonus is put together a bonus that would help you get more from Virtual Commissions. Complement kind of what it was doing. Now the first one is Lead Pro. This is a customer relationship management. You're going to be bringing in leads, and you need a way of kind of contacting them, tracking them, giving them kind of scores and things like that, and completely managing your campaigns. So this is what Lead Pro does, and I'm going to give you the commercial version of that. Okay, so full copy of Lead Pro. I'm also going to give you High Ticket Client Finder. It's a brand new app. This will help you find and source the clients that you will need for Virtual Commissions. So you're going to get a head start above everyone else, and it's all automated inside. It includes 250,000 credits. So it includes 250,000 credits for your use. Okay, so huge. Now I'm also going to give you white label access to that. Now if you're in the first 30 buyers, so you need to be in the first 30 buyers to lock this in, you will get white label access. That includes source code to the app so you can rebrand, resell, sales page, marketing pack, and everything else. Now I'm also going to give you the outreach script generator. So again, this includes 250,000 credits. So what it does, it creates the outreach for to get in front of your clients. Okay, so it just helps you kind of get in front of your clients easier. Okay, it does all the scripts that you need and everything else. Now again, with that, I'm going to give you 250,000 credits, but I'm also going to give you white label as well if you're in the first 30 buyers. So again, that includes source code, sales page, everything else. I'm also going to give you social signals commercial. Now, that includes 250,000 credits again. So this does everything that you need for social media, and it comes with a commercial license. So you can do this for the clients as well that you're finding inside Virtual Commissions. and you can offer it to your clients as well. So it's a huge bonus on top of what you're getting. It does all the social media from Facebook to Pinterest, everything in between. So it's that there by itself is probably, you know, a bonus that you could kind of use with the clients that you're getting. So you could offer this as an extra. Now I'm also going to give you the client generation funnel. So what this does, it gives you everything you need to start generating leads. It's a brand new funnel. It's all about digital marketing. It's full PLR included as well. I've also got some other great bonuses. So digital business secrets, how to build a billion dollar business, get out, opt-in list building for beginners. So as you can see, I've got a huge bonus here. It's not to be missed. You know, that white label option is for the first 30 buyers only. So if you want that, you've got to be quick. Now, for the bonus, as I said, this is for the front end only. The front end is $37. So you get all that what I've just talked about for $37. So it's huge, it really is. Now, the free downloads right at the bottom here, make sure that you download those and claim them. Now, let me just scroll back up here a second. Go back up here. Now, if you want to join the pre-launch webinar, just hit the button here, get your place on the webinar. It'll take you across register. Now, on that webinar, they are going to be giving you a free gift, which is the Virtual Commissions 497 blueprint. So just go attend and you're going to get that for free. And there's a ton of training on there as well. And, you know, it's going to show you some of the results, everything else. So it's well worth attending. And remember, if you lock it in on the webinar, if you lock it in from this page, you will get my bonus. You just make sure that you see my ID of 13927. Okay, but it's a huge offer, not to be missed. As I said, I don't normally promote training. I only promote training if it's good, and this is good. So make sure you join that competition. Go across to YouTube, comment on the video there, like and share the video, subscribe to the channel if you would, or if you're on YouTube watching this video, make sure that you comment on the video, like and share and subscribe to the channel if you would. Then on the 16th you're in with a chance of winning this amazing bonus and this amazing virtual commissions as well. So thanks for watching and watch out for the next video.